Also, don't forget to enter my giveaway. Thanks.
Trapping through the snow, selling 9 half bricks in 4 ways. Over the hills we go. Got an extendo and an AK.
So, grab some scissors. Actually, I'll go in my room. Or maybe the light in here would be good. Yeah, this is good. Anyway, so I just bought a ring light. Real exciting stuff. I've been eyeballing this for forever, but I just never bought it. I'm slightly upset though, because I ordered it and it was $104, and then literally 2 days later it was on sale for 99 bucks. Granted, the shipping was free and all that jazz, but could have saved like 5 bucks. But it is the Neewer ring light. Box looks like this. We're just gonna open it up. I have like a ring light that I made, but it's trash. It was okay for a while, but it's not. It's trash. It's not good. Wasn't excited about it. So you open everything up, and then this is something. Oh, cool. It comes in a bag. Oh, this is great. So that's everything. So I did see like a lot of people say that a lot of people complaining like theirs didn't come with a stand, and then they said like it's in the bottom of the box. I guess I changed the order of packaging because this was on the very top, so there's no mistaking that there's a stand. And then the ring light itself comes in this. This is real official. It comes with orange shields, and it comes with clear shields, or white. These are for like a really daytimey sort of thing, and this is just kind of warm to warm up your face, I guess. That's nice. So I'm gonna close this and open the stand. It feels really loose in here, so I'm a little nervous. Okay, so this is the stand. There we go. So the stand looks like so. It has this little knobby thing to tighten it, and then it comes with the top part. I'm most excited about it because the top part actually has the thing that screws into your camera, so that's the most exciting part here for me anyway. You unscrew this to make this little screw on the inside go away, and then you put this on top, and then you screw it back to tighten it so it doesn't go anywhere. And then you have these things to tighten it. I'm probably gonna have to drop this down a lot because I like to sit when I record my videos. Okay, next piece. Oh wait, I lied. This is to go on here. So same thing, you unscrew this thing to make the screw not take up so much space, I mean. I think. I don't know. My mom. There are instructions. I'm going to look at them. There are not instructions. Okay. Has anyone else noticed? Has anyone else noticed that like YouTube Online now has 2 ads instead of just 1 at the beginning? It's annoying. Okay, so then you just like, you have to like literally force this piece on here and then just twist it until it's tight, and then this thing moves like back and forth, and then the little piece on here just literally slides right on here, and this is what holds your camera. So I am going to, let's see, I was playing with these trying to put them on, but these like are kind of trash. Like trying to get these things on here is kind of annoying because they don't seem to like fit it exactly. I don't know. Okay, so I got it all in. The little shields, they're not cheap, they do fit. It's just a pain to get them on. That's really all that it is. So let's adjust a little. This isn't on its full setting, it's still adjusting. Also, I still haven't turned my face blurring off, so you're getting me all blurred and adjusted. Actually, let me turn it off because I look like Play-Doh, literally. Okay. This is me. This is the light. I'm gonna dimming. This isn't all the way down dim. It's not a huge difference, but I don't really care. I like this a lot. I'm actually gonna turn all the lights off so you guys can tell the difference. Okay, so this is with the hall light off, and it's at its lowest setting. And I'm gonna put it back up. This is me. Ooh. This is dim and this is off. Yikes. So it's decent. I'm gonna put the orange ones on because I've seen other people's videos and I like the orange ones better on other people's. So 1 minute. Cool, so just to show the difference, this is all the lights off, and these are the orange lights, and this is it all the way up. It's so bright. Jesus. And then this is it dim. Definitely like the orange ones better. I feel like they don't wash me out as bad. I wish that it got, maybe I do wish it got a little like smidge more dim. Overall, I'm very excited, real happy about this purchase. I'm about to be real lit, literally. I would definitely use this in the daytime. When it's like all the way dark, it's a little overpowering. I feel like with some light surrounding and it being like medium intensity, it's a lot less, it washes me out a lot less. Yeah, overall, like my only issue is that when it's like all the way up, that it kind of washes me out a little bit too much. But overall, real happy with the purchase. Hope this was a little informative. I don't know. I'm gonna link the video down below that I actually watched to help me figure out how to put it together. Yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully all my stuff can be top-notch quality now. And I will see you guys in my next video.
Don't beg for love.
Also, don't forget to enter my giveaway.
The truth will set you